Hi, I'm Julia. I will show you how to generate a dashboard now. So I have my client here, is Reportei. I can see all the features we have in Reportei, so reports, dashboards, timeline, and automations. I will create my first dashboard here. The process is really similar to generating a report. So I will select here the classic template, continue. I will select here the analysis period, the comparison period, and the integrations. So I will do not compare with any period in this case. We'll make all these integrations, select, choose the campaigns. In this case, I will just generate a dashboard for the entire account and complete and generate the dashboard. The difference between report and dashboards are very simple. Reports are ideal for you to send to your customer as a document. So you can add comments, analysis. It is a document from that period you have selected to be analyzed. In other hand, dashboards allows you to change the analysis date without having to generate a new dashboard. So it has the same metrics as the report, but it is dynamic. Both you and your client, who will access the dashboard with the shareable link, will be able to change the analysis period and the comparison period too. So that's the big difference between the dashboards and the reports. So here I have Instagram, Facebook, Facebook ads, and Google Analytics. I also select here to be in this dashboard. So I have the same possibilities from the report. So I can remove metrics, I can change the positions, I can move the metrics to change the positions, I can add commentaries, I can add analysis. So you have the same options, but I have this dynamic but I have this dynamic way to use it. So I can change it here and I can see the results more easily. So that's how you can use dashboard. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, you can just send us a message and talk to our support team. Bye.